give a time. Uh, but this time, first of all, I will thank to Corona who gave us on quarantine on 22nd March. The week we move on, but after a week, when I was searching video in YouTube, that time I saw Priya ma'am's video, and she introduced Reiki for Reiki 1 and Reiki 2 online classes. So I thought this is a good time. So there is nothing to do to me because my kids were at the home, so no school and no other work. So I thought this is a good time for me. So I joined the class for 1st of April, and when I joined, first of all, when I was learning what ma'am was teaching, I used to desperately do the homeworks, and my kids used to tell me that, हाँ बस कितना करोगी. But still, in mind there was something that I was trying myself to overcome all my past, and that's why I was desperately doing something. Priya ma'am, she used to take our lessons daily base, and the word she says, that is, yes Babu, you have to do this. It feels like a mother says to her child, yes, you have to do this. And so a tight hug I was getting from her, and I was desperately doing my Reiki. During Reiki, I used to do the meditation, whatever ma'am says, 20 points, healings, and all that, everything, everything. By the time a point she told that give up all the past, forgive all the things, whatever I had done, right or wrong, whatever, last, whatever. When I started myself forgiving, by the time I started feeling that yes, something is getting calm in my mind, in my heart, and what to say, Rihanna, she is a very good mentor to me. She is like a divine angel to me. So I will never forgive me. I will never forget, ma'am, as she had given such a huge knowledge that till my end I will never forget it. And it is so beautiful, so beautiful. I also thanks to Master Macau who had brought this spiritual in such a simplest way. Only the thing is to you focused. You have to focus on this, and that's it. दिल से अगर तुम करो तो सब कुछ हासिल होता है. The what you give affirmation, that 101% divine has to give you. That Priya ma'am has told us, and we had trust on her, and that trust makes all our dreams true. So I heartiest thanks to Priya ma'am that be with us, blessed forever, and we are your kind students. You are the best teacher, mentor, guru for me, and love you, ma'am. Very love you.